Hi guys, today I'm making a cake pop and everything you need is whole milk. You need a container. You need sticks. You need the cake batter. You need cocoa powder. You need sprinkles. You need chocolate. Wait, what are these?
Chocolate melts.
Oh, right, chocolate milk. You'll need condensed milk. Hi guys, now I made the batter and I used it with milk, water, and the batter. So now if I put it in the oven, it'll become into the cake, and while it's cooking, I'll make the other ingredients and show it to you. We're getting closer. Guys, now we're gonna make the buttercream. So we have cocoa powder and condensed milk. The buttercream is ready and the cake will also be ready in 15 minutes. Okay guys, now we made the cake and then I'm gonna dip this. I'm gonna put this in the cake. Now we finished making the thingy which you like dip it, which you like the stick you dip into. This, like, don't you know when you make at the end you're gonna dip the stick in? That's what. So we made the liquid. That's the dip. Oh, hi guys! I'm dipping these in to the ball side. Me and my dad. Ta-da! Now we can add the sprinkles. I made my cake pops, and then like you see these ones, like that you can make all the cake pops you want to make, and put it in the freezer, and it will be ready.